and then they'll battle for a little while, and then they'll wrestle. It's like watching The Big Show on The Rock, you know?
I love it the way he pushes them away.
Yeah, and if they get too much, one will hiss at the other, and then they quit. But no, they do this.
They're holding hands.
Brothers. They're brothers. You've seen them sleep together. Look, now he's gonna embrace time. Embrace me, my brother. Yeah, like he puts his leg out. I am the king. Yes, I will knock you senseless. No, you will not. I will beat you. You may be bigger, but I'm badder. Fuck you. I'm more beautiful. I'll eat your brain. Fuck you. I'll kick your face.
This kangaroo kicked him in the face.
They do that all the time. I will pick my tail up and shat on you. Now I'm gonna slap you, bitch. No, you're not. I kick your face.
Oh, dang.
Suck my dick, motherfucker. Please tell me you're not filming this. Oh my god. Prepare to die. Kitty battle.
Yes.
Look, you're no match for me, you little shite.
My name is Zipper Montoya.
Prepare. You killed my father. Prepare to die. Puss in Boots. He needs a little cavalier hat.
I like how he's like holding the back. Ah.
I kick your head. I bite your throat.
He bit his
Get
leg.
away! Come on, baby. Fuck you. Look at them. They totally battle.